Technology Company Limited, established in 2000, has 25 years of expertise in R&D and manufacturing, specializing in human diagnostic solutions. Our mission is to deliver innovative and efficient products that meet the diagnostic needs of healthcare providers around the world. We offer a range of fully automated diagnostic systems, including urinalysis solutions, hematology testing solutions, feces testing solutions, and genital secretion testing solutions. These systems are equipped with advanced analyzers, compatible test strips, and related consumables to ensure accurate and reliable results. Our product lines are developed with the latest technologies, allowing us to stay at the forefront of the medical diagnostics industry. We are committed to driving progress and providing the highest standards of quality and service. We pride ourselves on providing one-stop solutions to our global customers, supporting them with OEM services tailored to their unique requirements. Our commitment extends beyond product development. We offer comprehensive after-sales support in international markets, such as Switzerland, ensuring customers have the resources they need for optimal product performance. As a company that has been listed for 5 years, we have built a reputation for excellence, backed by a strong foundation of innovation and high-quality standards. Our goal is to continue expanding our presence in the global market, offering solutions that contribute to improving diagnostic accuracy and healthcare outcomes for people worldwide.